Hey guys, what's going on? Tony here. So in this video, I am going to create a brand new YouTube channel from scratch. For a little bit of context, let me actually grab full screen. About 2 weeks ago, I purchased my first ever domain website. It was called pickleball5000.com. It had about 30 articles. It had some traffic. It was ranking about 300 keywords. The site was about a year and a half old. I bought it from someone who bought it from someone else. After I purchased it, we had a little conversation. He said that he had purchased it for more money than he sold it to me, but that he just needed some money back out of the site and wanted to move on to another project. So I purchased the site for $2,250. The asking price, I think, was $2,800 or $2,750. And now I ran into some snags like you always do. I'll record that in another video, but one of the things the site I knew an opportunity was missing was it didn't have a YouTube channel. So I'm going to build a YouTube channel. I'm going to do it from scratch, and I'm going to show you each step in the process right now. So this will be a little bit of a longer video. I'll try to break it out into chapters, but basically to create a YouTube channel, you're going to go to YouTube. This is the YouTube homepage. I'm going to click up here at the top right where there's a little icon. Now I have several other channels already, but I'm going to go to settings, and under settings, I'm going to click right here in the middle, add or manage your channels. So I'm going to click on that. And what we want to do is we want to create a channel. So I'm going to click on that. We're going to just name it Pickleball 5000 because that's what the other site is named. Yes, I understand. I'm going to click create. And so now it says it's redirecting, and now we're here at the Pickleball 5000 website. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here in the drop down. We're going to go to YouTube Studio, and what we want to do is we want to go to customizations. So on the left, I'm going to click on customization. And this is where we're going to go to branding, and we've got a couple options here. So upload, I'm going to click upload. You guys can't see it, but I have got my logo. So I just uploaded the logo. We need to do a banner. And what we're going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to make it kind of from scratch. So let me see if I can bring you guys with me over to Photoshop. There we go. Okay, so this is something I was working on earlier. When we look at the size, actually we could do this, we could do this on Canva too, but anyway, 2048 by 1152. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go file, new, 2048 by 1152. We're going to hit OK. So this is the total size. Now there's a template that you can download that will allow you to kind of create like the perfect imaging and sizing, and you can see everything. I know I've got it somewhere. I'm not going to mess with it right now. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here. I'm going to grab my pickleball logo, which I've got right here. I'm just going to drop it dead center. I'm going to resize it. Sorry about the phone ringing. It's always junk. And what I'm going to actually do is I'm just going to go file, save as. We're going to do JPEG, or yeah, we can just do JPEG. Pickleball 5000 YouTube. Like, it seems crazy, but literally that's all I've got. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here, I'm going to click upload. I'm going to see if it's not too large. I almost nailed it perfectly. Look at that. All right, so I'm going to hit save. I know it's cutting off a little bit. I can add paddles. I can do a bunch of other stuff, but for right now, doesn't matter. That's all we need. A little watermark down in the bottom corner. I'm going to grab the same logo, drop it down there. Okay, so right now, I'm going to hit publish on the upper right side of the screen. I need to bring you guys back with me, don't I? There you go. Sorry about that. So what I did, just so you can see, was right here under banner, I clicked upload. Now it's giving me the option to change or remove, but I clicked upload and uploaded the banner. And then down here under video watermark, same thing, I just clicked upload, uploaded the logo, and it's done. Up here in the top right of the screen, I hit publish, and now I can click view the channel. And so here we go. Now if this is bugging you, the way that this is cut off, what I'm going to do is I can go back into Photoshop. I can resize this, and you might do this on Canva. So I'm going to resize it. I'm going to go File, Save As. We're going to do it as a JPEG again. I'm going to just put a 1 after Pickleball 5000 YouTube. I'm going to save it. Let's bring you guys back over with me. We're going to go back to customization. We're going to click change under the top section. I'm going to grab the smaller version. I'm going to click publish. And I'm going to refresh. That didn't work. So let's click view channel. And for some reason, it is still showing me one that's a little bit too small. Why are you doing that? Oh, silly me. I was in the banner section. I changed the banner picture instead of the proper picture. So I'm gonna switch this back. I'm gonna go to, I was in the picture section. I was supposed to be in the banner section. I'm gonna grab the banner one. Now you can see that it's in there properly. I'm gonna click publish. And in a minute, let's click view channel. There we go. So we got the pickleball. We've got a little icon. I don't have any videos yet, but I've got videos that I just recorded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to YouTube Studio. Inside my pickleball, I'm going to go to content. I'm going to click upload videos. Select the file. And I've got 2 videos that I just downloaded. This one, and I'll show you guys how I record these videos another time. So pickleball paddle at Walmart, and this is Onyx Recruit. Now, I'm going to save that, but choosing the best. So let's do this. Choosing the best pickleball paddle for a beginner at Walmart. Okay, so why am I choosing that title? Well, I'm going to copy that title. I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to paste that title and do a search. I've never searched that before. First of all, actually what I can do is I can get rid of at Walmart. What we've got here is the first article that shows up. Top 6 pickleball paddles for beginner, right? We've got the Onyx Striker, which I bought the Onyx Recruit, but this is the featured snippet. This would be considered the 0 or the top organic rank. Then we've got best pickleball paddles for beginners. You know, best pickleball paddles for beginners. If I go into that and I go into this. So let's just say I look at the top 3 results. This guy's got an awesome site and he is growing the site. He's doing a lot. But when the site first loads, you see all this dead space. Then we come down. So now we've got 6 of the best pickleball paddles for beginners. Then we start scrolling. This is I'm assuming, no, that's a Instagram photo. So he doesn't have any original photos embedded here. I guarantee he did not take those photos. He doesn't have any video. He doesn't have, you know, any real rich content. He just has kind of basic information about each of these. I guarantee I can beat that in my own article. Then here we've got this. I've never looked at it. The splash screen like that drives me crazy. This is all worthless information. Again, I don't see any videos. Ugly page, ugly experience. We go right into that. Overwhelming pickle paddle options. Yeah, but I don't feel like you're helping much at all. Now here, we've got an embedded video. So that's helpful. I don't know. There's no original photos. There's no other real information. So I like the search. I like the keyword. I like the results. I think I can beat those. You know, how do I pick my first pickleball paddle? What's a good starter pickleball set? Is it better to have a lighter, heavier pickleball paddle? Like, these are great questions that I'll include in my article. I'm creating the video to support the article. Let's see where we are. Okay. Now, this is what I recommend doing. So we have choosing the best pickleball paddle for a beginner at Walmart. Beginner pickleball players have different let's go with have a unique set of needs. Putting $100 paddle in my hand won't make me a better player. In this video, I show Walmart's selection of pickleball paddles, and I choose what feels like the best paddle for me, a pickleball beginner. Okay, I'll add more content to this. What I'll do is I'll create my article outline. I'll put components of my article outline in this. I will create a thumbnail for it. In fact, I might actually have a thumbnail for it. So let's switch over real quick. The way I recorded that video was I did it as a YouTube live. So now I'm in the Total Knee Replacement channel. This is where I recorded the YouTube live because I don't have live recording. I didn't even have a pickleball channel. So I created an unlisted live video. And with this, I took a thumbnail screenshot. It's pretty tiny. That stinks. Still gonna use it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump over into, actually I'm just gonna save it. I was gonna bring it into Photoshop, but I think what I'll do is I'll just save image as choosing a pickleball paddle for beginners. Okay. I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna switch back over to the Pickleball 5000 YouTube channel. Let's go back to content. Let's go in here. Let's go thumbnail. So I have to verify my account. Text me a verification code. No offense, but I don't want to record my cell number, so give me just a minute. It's texting me a code. There it is. I'm typing in the code right now. I hit submit. Okay, so it verified for me. Let's try this again. You have access to refresh the page. Okay, well, let me do this. I'm going to finish the upload. I upload all of my new videos as unlisted. I'm going to refresh the page. Hopefully you guys are still following along. I'm going to go back into the video, click on thumbnail. And I'm going to grab the thumbnail. Huh, that's interesting. I didn't intend for it to have that black outline, but I'm not against it. I don't know if I like which one I like better. That's not, I don't think that's the one. Yeah, that's the one I bought. I might like that one better. Anyway. This one, this one. I'm just gonna go with this. It's a screenshot, but it works. All right, guys, so just to show you another way to upload videos, right? Up here, top right, I click create, I click upload video. Now I select the file. I'm gonna upload the second video, which when I got the pickleball paddle home, I flipped on, I've got my phone on a little selfie stick. I just hit record. I've got an earbud in for my mic, and that's allowing me to record the content. Okay, pickleball paddle. Onyx Recruit unboxing. I check no, it's not made for kids for everything. In a minute, we're gonna set up our defaults and you're just gonna see, so I'm gonna make this one unlisted, how I set everything up. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that now. So if we go into customization, we did the branding. I'm going to go to basic info. So there's a spot here for description, right? And sometimes what you can do is you can just grab, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to YouTube. I'm going to grab my standard little bio blurb. So if I go to Total Therapy, I go to my channel, I come down here to one of my more recent videos. Actually, I don't think. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna grab all of this actually. I'm gonna drop it in there. So about the author, hi, my name is Anthony. I'm a licensed physical therapist, owner of Total Therapy Solutions, specialize in helping clients just like you. I am new to the world of pickleball and would love to join you on this journey. I would love to join you, or I would love to have you join me. I would love to join you, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna hit publish. I don't have 100 subscribers, so I can't create a custom URL yet. Add a link. So I'm not going to do anything like this. I don't want to do anything that takes somebody off of the YouTube channel. So I will put my email in there, at least for now. This provides us with expertise, trustworthiness, authority. This provides us with, a real place, like I'm a real person with a real clinic, I'm really a therapist. I can even put like my license number and stuff in there. Let's see what else we have. Let's go to settings. And so here we're going to go to channel, country of residence. So we're going to set this to United States. Keywords, so pickleball, physical therapy, pickleball injuries, sports injuries, pickleball training, injury prevention. So you have 500 characters. I've used 110 so far. That's fine. I'm just going to leave it like that. I hit save, but let me go back in settings, channel. Now we go to advanced settings. I'm going to hit no. This channel is not made for children. I'm going to establish that for everything. Don't show potentially inappropriate words. I'm going to check that in my comments or captions. Subscriber count, I do want it to show. Advertisements, disable interest-based ads. I'm just going to leave it. Clips, allow viewers to clip my content. Totally fine with me. I'm eligible for the first 2 features. I'm not eligible for the final just yet. I think what we need to upload more videos. I need a couple other things, so no biggie. If we go to upload defaults, I'm not going to put any default title in. The description, we had that on the other screen. Let me go back. I'm going to grab this. I'm going to take it back in here. So where were we? Uploads, description. So these are the descriptions on the individual videos. The other one was the description on the channel, in case I didn't make that clear. Advanced settings, so category, we're going to go ahead and see, like, is there here sports? We're going to say this content has never been aired on TV. Language is going to be English, United States. Title, description, English, United States. Hold potentially inappropriate comments. Show how many likes. Okay, all of that is good. We're going to go down to permissions. There's nothing really I can do or need to do about permissions. Community. I don't have any moderators or anything like that. Defaults, hold potentially inappropriate. That sounds good. Okay, creator demographics. This is new. I'm not going to worry about that right now. And then our agreements. So right now, our YouTube channel is set up. We've got a couple of videos ready to go. I'm not going to hit publish until I probably have 10 total, but I'll knock out 10 in the next 2 days. When you launch your channel, you effectively want to have enough content ready to go on the channel so that when somebody sees one of your videos, they can click to see the next and the next and the next. It also gives YouTube, the algorithm, a chance to really kind of get an understanding for who wants to see your content. And then based on that, they can go out and find a like audience. The reason why I'm not switching my shoulder guide channel to a pickleball channel, even though my shoulder channel is monetized, is because the shoulder channel has enough data for shoulder patients. They're not necessarily pickleball players. I don't want to mix those two audiences. So I'm just going to bite the bullet, create a new channel. Today, June 15th, is the first day of this new channel. Guys, it's been 24 minutes. In 24 minutes, less than 25 minutes, we created a brand new YouTube channel from scratch. I'll catch you on the next video.